Hey guys, it's the Bean Bro, and today we are going to be doing
a giant
Pixie slime. Okay.
This time we're doing Pixie, so after you saw my video on Vimeo, this is not going to be the same.
No.
It's going to be huger and it's going to be pink.
Huger. It's going to be
I know English well.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so first we're going to put Elmer's glue.
We are not doing exact measurements of this.
Like, we could just eyeball it.
Yeah, just eyeball it. Make sure there's enough room for the rest of the ingredients.
I think this is too big. Oh, this is heavy. Whoa.
Not yet. Oh yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
No, we need more.
No.
No, we need more. I'll tell you when to stop. I'm done doing that.
3,
2,
1,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay. That should be enough. Then 5 tablespoons of water.
5 tablespoons of water.
1,
So 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. That should be enough.
Perfect.
Stir.
So you're gonna make this faster. Woo. So you just stir it up.
What's the sour cream? Sour cream.
It's right here.
Sour cream.
Okay, so add a little bit less than here. Shake it up. Shake it
It
up.
doesn't really matter how much to use actually. I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay. We need a lot of shaving cream. Whee!
Do not eat it. It's not whipped cream.
Looks like whipped cream.
Not whipped cream.
Whee! Done.
Yeah. More.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done.
Okay.
Now we just stir that in.
Yeah.
It's fine. We're gonna get sticky.
Yeah.
Ah.
Lotion.
Lotion.
I'll do lavender. You can do the bigger one.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna use
Tons of lotion.
Kiss.
We're not gonna even
We're gonna use Kiss My Face, lavender, and everyone lotion for everybody. So we're gonna do 14.
Let's just pour it in, not count.
Okay. Just do. Doesn't really matter.
Just 2 tons.
Should we do 1, 2, 3? We should just do like 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's not pumping.
Here. We'll just do more of this.
We're officially out of lavender lotion.
Okay. And now we'll just mix that up.
There's more.
Needs more? Okay. Just like 10 more cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to make it stretchy.
And then lots of paint.
We just gonna use paint. Just like we're just gonna eyeball it because, yeah. Okay, that's good. So, okay, done.
There.
Just gonna eyeball it. We're just gonna stir that up. Oh, this makes me here. Just like just one more pump. Okay, good. Let's do this. Just do like 17 of that, I guess.
Well, it really depends on how much it is.
I'll probably just set. Okay. It looks pretty.
Well, guys, we're using a half a gallon of oil. So let's go recipe half a gallon of glue. After you do more, you have to times it by like 10.
10? I don't know.
I have no idea actually. Look it up.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. So now we're gonna put in. We're just gonna put in a little bit more.
Oh, that makes it lighter already.
Oh.
We need more paint now.
Okay, we'll just put one more gouache.
A couple more.
Okay.
We got green in there. Ew.
That's fine. It's only like a bit green. Okay. And then we're gonna put in.
Is that enough or more?
We're gonna put like
1, 2, 3.
So this is just warm water and borax. This is just a regular borax solution. With warm water and 14 borax, 9, 10, 11, no, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
20. Okay.
And that's it. 20.
So it's okay.
Our spoon got really messed up. I can help with our hands. I'm doing the messy one.
So am I.
No way. Then clean your hands actually and then messy.
So we're
No,
just
it
gonna,
has to be watery.
Like-
If it looks perfect, you did it wrong.
Okay, we're just gonna put this somewhere. Just gonna put that over there. And then, okay, so we're just gonna mix that in.
Stop
Wow.
that onto the table.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so really what you need to do is you need to like play with it, maybe add a little bit more lotion.
Yeah, and it's supposed to look like this, guys. We did not do it wrong.
Lotion, more lotion because it's not that stretchy. Like if yours is not that stretchy, then you can put a lot more lotion into it. Yeah, sounds really good.
It smells really lemony.
Yeah,
Smells like my shampoo.
shampoo is your shampoo. It kind of smells like pie, like lemon meringue pie.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that's what they intended. What if they put
Lemon?
lemon meringue pie in there?
That's highly unlikely.
Maybe. You never know. There's always a 1% chance.
True.
No, there's always a 0.5% chance.
There's always a 20% chance.
No.
50.
50, there's not always a 50% chance.
You just said that.
No, I said 0.5%. Like,
50 is 0.5%.
no, like 1%.
Uh,
Well, like, I didn't mean that, like, in, never mind. Ooh, it's starting to get good. And like,
That's okay.
yeah.
No more. No more.
No more? Okay. Cause it's, ooh, okay. And now, it's like getting pretty good. I don't really know how to explain it. But we're gonna add some glitter. So we're gonna be adding purple glitter.
It doesn't matter what color it is, but
Here,
when
let
it
me-
cooks it, it's
This part's optional. Okay, stop.
and tons of glitter.
So there was more slime in the slime in the bin, so we added that, which is good. So it's like really, really stretchy. It's like really, really
I
fluffy.
still think we need more
But like
glitter.
if you like pull it fast, then it's just like rips. But if you do it slow, then it's just really
It stretches
stretchy.
really far.
And then
Let's
it's really,
get a
really
little
fluffy and really, really cool. Okay.
So that brings the camera with me.
Pull up more. A little more. Let's see how far we can stretch it.
4 bricks.
4 breaks.
I bet.
If you're tall enough, you can touch the ceiling.
Yeah. Yep. I can already tell.
starting to break. Oh no. Kind of. Nope, not really. Let's see if we can get it all
I
up
won't be
there.
able to touch the ceiling if we try.
All right, let's try and keep stretching it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Oh, stretch it. Let's see if we can stretch that. No! It broke. Okay, that's it for today, guys. This is our final result. Leave down in the comments below, like, if you tried it and, like, how it worked out. And, make sure to like this video if you like.
And subscribe
If you're new.
to see more fun Sundays like this.